Good evening, ma'am. This time I will discuss about the skeletal system. What is skeletal system? The skeletal system is the body framework of bones and cartilage that provides structure, protects organs, and enables movement by working with muscles and nerves. Its main functions include supporting the body, protecting internal organs, producing blood cells, and storing minerals like calcium and phosphate. So, natay lima ka parts sa skeletal system. First, short bones. Short bones are cube-shaped bones that provide stability and support in joints with limited movement, such as the wrists and ankles. So, natay duha ka examples sa short bones. First, carpals, wrist bones, on second, tarsals and ankle bones. So, ikaduha sa part sa skeletal system is long bones. Long bones are the longest bones in the body, found mainly in the arms and legs, and they function as levers to facilitate movement. So, the two example of long bones is first femur, thigh bone or radius, forearm bone. So, the third part of skeletal system, flat bones. Flat bones are them broad and sometimes curved bones that protect internal organs and serve as attachment points for muscles. So the two examples of flat bones, first skull or and second shoulder. So the fourth of part skeletal system is irregular bones. Uh, Irregular bones are bones with unique and complex shapes that don't fit into the categories of long, short, or flat bones. So the two examples is vertebrae and hyoid bone. So the last, sesamoid bones. A sesamoid bones is a small bone embedded in a tendon often found near joint surfaces in locations like the hand, wrist, and foot. These bones function like a pulley system, protecting tendons from stress and friction, improving the leverage of muscles and providing stability for activities like walking or running. So the examples of sesamoid bones is proximal bones. Uh, Thank you.